Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah. King John IV of Portugal, you have a street in Macau, a street in Macau.
Let me just kind of see this image. There's a square, triangles, triangles, triangles. There's like two big triangles, two small triangles, this little piece right here, and different shapes in the square. So what they do is they put them in different arrangement of different ones. So there's another one. So you only see one square, two big triangles, two small triangles, this parallelogram as well. So there's a certain image. Okay, we're here in Macau. This is Avenida de João IV. This is King John the Restorer. He was in Portugal's king in the 1600s, and it was right when he got independence from Spain. He was the king at that time, and he has a street named after him in Macau. And there's a fitting name, Grand Emperor Hotel. So we got Emperor. Not that king and emperor is two totally different things, but nonetheless, Hotel Sintra, kind of a Portuguese reference. And we're going to go straight down by the Portuguese school as well, and we're going to go all the way down to Praia Grande. We're on reclaimed land. Historically, that's Grand Lisboa Casino right over there. That goes down to Frada Amaral, which has Lisboa, some other casinos down that way, and there's a waterfront over there down Van Lake. So nonetheless, we are going to show you what this avenue of João IV looks like. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado da movidinha.
Okay, so here we go. It's Grand Emperor Hotel. The first thing we're going to start seeing immediately is a black and white, we won't see it immediately, but once we get across the street, we're going to see the black and white tiles of kind of the Portuguese element to it. This one right here is a little skating area. It's kind of cool. There's actually like this giant floodlight right there, and kids will skate. There's only one kid there today, but today's a rainy day. That's kind of a waterfall right there. So we're gonna go down Artigas Street. There's Hotel Sintra, and then that right next to it is an apartment building that I generally never really notice. And then this one is going to be our cross street across Henry the Navigator Street, Enrique Infante. So we have a lot of Portuguese elements right in this area. I believe that this street would have been it's a reclaimed land, but it still would have been Portuguese at that time, so they probably have some references like that. So we're gonna go straight down that way. Looks like we have our green light too, so let's go down while we got it. There's Lisboa Wind Casino down there, MGM, the Macau side ones. Straight ahead is the Macau Escola, Portuguese school. We're gonna go in front of that in a moment. So let me just see here. Just kind of take a look at that wall. So you can see kind of a nice Portuguese wall right here. We'll just kind of come up close. And the Portuguese school is right here. And lots of people hanging around. I think today might be a school day actually. So you can see right there, it says the Portuguese School of Macau. Escola Portuguesa de Macau. Lots of tourists everywhere. We're gonna just quickly take a look down that way. You can see Casino Lisboa down that way. The black and white tiles. And we're gonna turn around down this way. Then we're gonna head on down that way. We got all the black and white tiles, so we have very Portuguese element to these. Sailor ones right there. The ship right there. And then when we come around the corner, another one. There's a helicopter, but it doesn't sound right. Usually they're more like navigation tools like that one. Okay. So that's our target street. And now you're gonna start seeing these Tangram images. So this street has Tangrams. So people that don't know what a Tangram is, I'll show you. I'll put it online right now. So, but this is actually an image of a Tangram. And basically with these images, what they do is you can actually, let me just kind of see this images. There's a square, triangles, triangles, triangles. There's like 2 big triangles, 2 small triangles, this little piece right here, and different shapes in the square. So what they do is they put them in different arrangement of different ones. So there's another one right here too, and you can see the same thing. You can see that image, small triangle, 2 small triangles, 2 big triangles, and also the square too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the hexagram on Wikipedia. So now maybe have a better image of it, but they'll basically put it in different shapes. So this street is filled with hexagon shapes. There's another one. So you only see 1 square, 2 big triangles, 2 small triangles, this parallelogram as well. So there's a certain image. We'll keep on going down, and they'll create different shapes. So again, same thing again, right? So you got 2 big triangles, 1 square, 2 small triangles, this little shape right here, and then you can also put it in 1 giant square as well. So that's the original shape that it goes into, which you probably saw on Wikipedia. So this whole street is filled with Tangrams. Another Tangram shape. So it's kind of interesting that they took that design. Let me just kind of see here. So we're going to be going by the bus stop. Joao the 4th, King John. King Joao. Joao the Restorer. King of Portugal. 1600s. Okay. So now we're going to be coming up on the back side of the Portuguese school, which is directly over there. And then you can also see Lisboa Casino. Got a 7-Eleven. So let me just kind of show you where we are exactly. So that's basically what we just went down. We got the Chinese New Year right there with the lanterns. And we're going to keep on going. It's kind of a dark day. Some nice trees as well. So let's keep on going down, and we'll come back this way. More Tangram shapes. It's like a chicken. It looks like another kind of animal with they could basically be in any shape. It's like a similar animal without legs. I think they just kind of randomly put them in different stuff. Okay. I haven't been here, I haven't filmed this in a while, but this is an Iranian shop. But it's closed today for Chinese New Year, but they got the Chinese New Year tangerines there. I met the son, which was kind of cool. Okay, so we're gonna go down a little bit further. And then shortly we're going to reach the end of our street, which is going to be, let's see if I can, let me just kind of give you a highlight of, down there's a military club. Oh, we got a green light, so we're going to go across, of course. And then you can see this sign right there, it says Avenida de Praia Grande. So So that's actually the big beach road right here. So all of this would have been on reclaimed land that we're standing on now, and it would have been ocean. Then we come over to this side. And so our street would have been King John Street. There's a military club down there. So this street right here would have been the beach. It's called Big Beach Road, Avenida Praia Grande, and it goes all the way down like that. And then they reclaimed the land, so they took away land from the ocean, right? And then they created this down that way. So that would have been this street that we were just on was part of that reclaimed land. And okay, so we are going to end our video. Let's go into the park. And so another little taste of Macau for you. I think this is all on reclaimed land too. This would have been ocean or beach, and then they built over it. I think they had to because of the way the everything is kind of on the river. Okay, so that was our street right there. $20.24. Let's check out Macau. Come on.